We're back with another Aftermarket Horror Series episode where we talk about real-world failures and costly repairs. Previously, we've talked about things like contamination, poor workmanship, and poor material quality. Well, this episode is going to be a little bit different. We're actually going to talk about poor engineering design. Here we have the rotating group from a Cat 308 propel motor. We acquired this component off the market for comparative purposes, and upon completing our inspection process, we were concerned with some of the things that we found. Even though this component was clean and assembled well, the real issue lies in the geometry of the engineered design. The extreme angle of the swash plate causes the brass slippers to contact the barrel. Repeated contact of the brass slipper below the crimp can create a weak spot and premature failure. As you can see from this example, some defects can be quite difficult to identify.
At Brikers, every aftermarket hydraulic component is individually tested to OEM specifications, complete with a custom test video and detailed test report. That's the level of confidence we put behind every part. Reach out to your sales rep and learn why more customers trust Brikers for their aftermarket part supply.